Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve 263 number of problem which is ugly number. You can see the problem. An ugly number is a positive integer which does not have a prime factor other than 2, 3 and 5. Given an integer n, return true if it is ugly number, otherwise return false. You can see example, n is equals to 6, it is true because its prime factor contains 2 and 3, and after that 1 has no prime factor, so it is out true, and false because n is equals to 14 because 14 is includes 7 into its prime factor, but 7 is not included in 2, 3 and 5, so it is not ugly number. So now let's see the solution of this problem. For that, first of all, check if n is less than or equals to 0, because if n is 0 or negative number, return false immediately because it is not a ugly number. And after that, use while loop for checking that n is divisible by 2 or not. If it is divisible by 2, divide it by 2 until possible, and same code for 3 and 5 also, so just copy and paste it. You can see 2 after the code for 3, the code is same, and after 5. After completing these three while loops, return true if n is equals to 1, because after completing three while loops, if n becomes 1, it is proves that given n is ugly number. So return true if n is equals to 1 after completing the three while loops. So now run the code. You can see our code is passed all three cases. So now submit it. You can see our solution is accepted and all test cases are passed. So thank you for watching my video.